The score was tied. Both athletes were giving it their all, neither willing to back down. The clock was ticking down, each second feeling like an eternity. Sweat dripped from Jeffrey's brow as he faced his opponent. His heart pounded in his chest, a rhythmic reminder of the stakes. He had trained tirelessly for this moment, for the chance to compete at the National Taekwondo Championships. Every early morning, every late night, every sacrifice had led to this. Only a few months earlier, a sudden knee injury threatened to sideline Jeffrey for good. The pain was intense, and the road to recovery seemed impossible. Doubt swirled in his mind. Would he ever be able to compete again? Could he regain his former strength and agility? Could he really compete at this level again? The fear of failure loomed large, but so did his determination. Jeffrey took a deep breath, silencing the negative thoughts. He reminded himself of his journey, the battles he had already won. He focused on his opponent, his senses racing to new limits. Every movement, every breath of his opponent was a signal, a clue. He remembered his training, the countless hours spent improving his technique and strengthening his resolve. Each drill, each repetition had a purpose. With newfound determination, Jeffrey launched into action, his movements fluid and precise. His body moved almost instinctively, a testament to his intense training. The final seconds ticked away. The tension in the arena was palpable, every eye glued to the combatants. Jeffrey landed a series of lightning-fast kicks, each strike echoing through the silent arena. The buzzer sounded, the crowd erupted. Jeffrey had done it. He had achieved what many thought impossible. He had overcome his doubts, his injury, and emerged victorious. His journey was a testament to resilience and perseverance. His victory was a testament not just to his physical prowess, but also to the unwavering strength of his mind. Jeffrey's story would inspire many, a beacon of hope and determination. Jeffrey's story highlights a powerful truth. In the world of Taekwondo, mental toughness is just as crucial as physical ability. While physical training hones your kicks, punches, and blocks, it's your mental game that determines how effectively you use those skills under pressure. Taekwondo demands split-second decisions, unwavering focus, and the ability to perform under intense stress. A strong mind allows you to stay calm, strategize effectively, and execute your techniques with precision, even when facing formidable opponents. It's the mental game that separates the good from the great. Mental toughness isn't about being emotionless. It's about cultivating a mindset that empowers you. It's about developing the mental tools to navigate the challenges of training and competition, transforming pressure into performance. To master the mental game of Taekwondo, we'll focus on what I call the 4 pillars of Taekwondo: mindset, focus, discipline, confidence, and resilience. These pillars provide a framework for developing the mental strength essential for Taekwondo excellence. Just like the 4 pillars of a building provide structural integrity, these mental pillars will support your Taekwondo journey. In the following sections, we'll explore each pillar in depth, providing practical techniques and strategies backed by scientific research. By incorporating these principles into your training, you can unlock your full potential as a Taekwondo athlete. Section 4, Pillar 1, Focus, Sharpening Your Mind's Eye. In this section, we delve into the essence of focus and how it can transform your Taekwondo practice. Focus is the cornerstone of peak performance in Taekwondo. It is the mental clarity that allows you to execute techniques with precision and power. It's the ability to direct your attention to the present moment, blocking out distractions and honing in on the tasks at hand. This level of concentration is what separates good athletes from great ones. In the heat of a match, a wandering mind can lead to missed opportunities and costly mistakes. A single lapse in focus can be the difference between victory and defeat. One powerful technique for cultivating focus is mindfulness. Mindfulness trains your mind to stay anchored in the present, enhancing your awareness and reaction time. Mindfulness involves paying attention to your thoughts and feelings without judgment. It's about observing your mental state and bringing your focus back whenever it drifts. Regular mindfulness practice, even for a few minutes each day, can enhance your ability to stay present and focused, both on and off the mat. This practice builds mental resilience and clarity. Another valuable tool is deep breathing. Deep breathing techniques can help you manage stress and maintain focus during high-pressure situations. When we're stressed or anxious, our breathing becomes shallow and irregular. This can negatively impact our performance and decision-making abilities. Deep, conscious breathing calms the nervous system and brings our attention back to the present moment. It helps to center your mind and body, creating a state of calm readiness. Before a match or during training, take a few moments to practice deep belly breathing, inhaling slowly through your nose and releasing entirely through your mouth. This simple exercise can significantly enhance your focus and performance. Visualization is another powerful technique for enhancing focus. By mentally rehearsing your techniques, you prepare your mind and body for actual performance. Visualize yourself performing each technique flawlessly, engaging all your senses to create a vivid mental picture. Imagine the feel of your movements, the feelings of your strikes, and the reaction of your opponent. Research shows that mental rehearsal activates the same neural pathways as physical practice, strengthening your mind-body connection and improving performance. By integrating visualization into your routine, you can sharpen your focus and elevate your Taekwondo skills to new heights. Section 5, Pillar 2, Discipline. The fuel for your Taekwondo journey. Discipline is the engine that drives your Taekwondo progress. It is the unwavering commitment to your training and the relentless pursuit of excellence. It's about setting clear goals, creating a structured training plan, and consistently showing up even when motivation wanes. Discipline ensures that you stay on track no matter the obstacles. Discipline is the bridge that connects your aspirations with your achievements. It transforms your dreams into reality through persistent effort and dedication. Start by setting SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. These goals provide a clear roadmap for your journey. For example, instead of saying, "I want to be a better Taekwondo athlete," set a goal like, "I will improve my roundhouse kick speed by 10% in the next 3 months." This gives you a tangible target to work towards. Once you've established your goals, create a detailed training schedule and stick to it as much as possible. Consistency is key. Regular practice ingrains the techniques and builds muscle memory. Even on days when you're tired or unmotivated, remind yourself of your goals and the satisfaction that comes from pushing beyond your comfort zone. This mental toughness is what sets disciplined athletes apart. Managing distractions is crucial for maintaining discipline. A focused mind leads to more effective training sessions. Identify your biggest time wasters and create strategies to minimize them. This could be anything from social media to unnecessary interruptions. This might involve turning off your phone during training, scheduling dedicated practice time, or finding a training partner to hold you accountable. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who share your commitment to discipline. Section 6, Pillar 3, Confidence. Be your own biggest cheerleader. Confidence is the belief in your ability to succeed. It's the inner voice that says, I can do this even when faced with challenges. Confidence isn't about being arrogant. It's about having a realistic assessment of your skills and a deep-seated trust in your training. One powerful way to build confidence is through positive self-talk. Pay attention to your inner dialogue and challenge negative thoughts. Replace self-doubt with affirmations like, I am strong, I am capable, and I am prepared. Celebrate your victories, no matter how small they may seem. Each milestone, from mastering a new technique to persevering through a tough training session, is a step forward. Acknowledge your progress and allow yourself to feel proud of your accomplishments. Remember that confidence is built through consistent effort and a willingness to embrace challenges. The more you step outside your comfort zone and overcome obstacles, the stronger your belief in yourself will become. If you enjoyed this content, please like, share, and subscribe. Select a video on your screen, and we will continue there. Thank you.